Hello guys, let's learn the different types of operations on integers. The operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Before performing any operation on integer, two things you always have to remember. First is follow the rules to get the correct answer and use the brackets to avoid the confusion between the signs. Now for addition, rules are if both the numbers are positive, you have to add and give plus sign to the answer. If either of the number is negative, you have to subtract and the sign to the answer will be as it is in the question for the greater number sign. If both the numbers are negative, you have to add and give minus sign to the answer. Let's learn it using some examples. As you can see, the first example is having both the numbers positive. So you have to go by rule number 1, add and give plus sign to the answer. In second example, first number is negative, second is positive. So you have to subtract and give sign as it is for the greater number. In this example, greater number is 5 and its sign is plus. So answer will be having plus and the subtraction will be 3. In last example, you have both the numbers negative. So you have to add and the answer will be having minus sign. Now in subtraction, you have some sort of different kind of rule. First is you have to convert the subtraction sign into an addition sign. After converting the sign, take the inverse of the number which comes after the sign, and once the transformation is done, follow the rules of addition. Now, as per the given example and rules, you have to convert the minus sign, that means subtraction sign, into an addition sign. Then you have to convert the sign of the number which is next to the subtraction sign. In this example, minus 8 is the number after the subtraction sign. You have to take its inverse. So minus 8's inverse will be plus 8 and the previous number will be as it is. Now you have to follow the addition rule. So as per addition rule, if either of the number is negative, you have to do subtraction and sign will be of greater number. So here greater number is 8 with plus sign. So answer will be having plus sign to it. Now for the multiplication, the rules are if both the numbers are positive, you have to multiply and give plus sign to the answer. If either of the number is negative, you have to multiply and give minus sign to the answer. And if both the numbers are negative, multiply and give plus sign to the answer. Let's learn it using some examples. So you can see in the first example, the first number is positive and second is negative. So after multiplication, sign will be minus to the answer. And if both the numbers is having negative sign, after multiplication, they will be having plus sign or you can say a positive number. In division, the rules are similar to multiplication, only the difference is instead of multiplication, you have to divide. In case of signs, the concept and rules are same for division and multiplication. That means if both the numbers are positive, you have to divide and plus sign will be given to the answer. If either of the number is negative, you have to divide and minus sign will be given to the answer. If both the numbers are negative, you have to divide and give plus sign to the answer. As you can see in the example, both the numbers are negative, so after division, they will be having plus sign to the answer. And if either of the number is negative, you have to give minus sign to the answer. Thank you. Share and subscribe to Math and Magic. Learn and enjoy.